Okay, this is a blend. No, sorry, a grinder. It's supposed to be a pellet maker. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pellet maker officially, but honestly, it looks like a meat grinder to me. Everything, everything spells meat grinder. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Put it there. Put it there. Yep. So let's see what on earth. What is this? Ah, okay. Instructions, instructions, instructions. Open it up and what the heck? I don't get it. What the heck? What's this? You put it in there. Aha. Okay. Seems to fit. What's next, man? Tighten the. Okay. What? Again. Go, 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 go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, yeah, baby. Got it in. Ooh, feels so good. Okay, next. Put this twisty thingamajig inside.
I know it sounds ridiculous, but my parents are weird,
Hello.
possessive.
Open up.
They just have to do everything together.
What the? Hello.
When I was 10,
You're taking too long,
my
man.
mom having an affair.
I don't know what I'm
Decided to go
doing.
upstairs.
Oh my god.
Psychotic.
What the heck? I don't understand anymore. Oh wow. Another thing on my
I think you put it
jig.
down in the machine.
Ah. Oh my god. What is. Okay. So, for whatever reason, we have two thingamajigs that are twisted up. They look the same. Kinda. Shit. Now it can't fit. Okay, what? Why is it in plastic? Should I? Okay, whatever. I'm taking out the plastic. Oh, it's all there. All the whatever cutting things are in there. So it's just packaging. Now I have to select which one. What the heck? Okay. Pick the hole that you want. Yeah. Tight is the best. Nope. Okay. What? Instructions. Okay. Oh my god. What's up, man? Okay. So, is this what I'm seeing in the photos? Okay. Yeah. Pick what you want. Yeah, right. Okay. So, maybe this is it. Maybe this will be the size I want for the pellets. Yeah, I think this is gonna really slice it up really small. Let's see. So that's the smallest size. Fine. Put the small hole in. Yeah, go. Push it in. Yeah, that feels so good. Okay. Lock it up tight. Yep. Ah. It's not aligned. I have to make sure that nothing breaks because if this thing breaks, I assume it's going to be dangerous. It's all metal. Yep, just tighten it up.
You try to steal this book.
That's right.
We fight,
Okay, go.
lose, but you rip up
Torque
several pages
100.
before I vanish into the library.
This way,
Wait.
no books get hurt.
Don't understand. What now? Tray on top? My god. How on earth is it going to create any pellets? Honestly, I don't see a grinder creating pellets. Yep, let's put it on top. That's what the instruction says. That's right, then it comes with a pushy thingy. Push the food inside the whole thingy. Yeah, no need to screw it up. It's just press and fit. There you go. Look at that. That's the thingamajig really thing. Yep, there it's moving. Turn on and the thingamajig is like a spiral staircase of hell. What else? It works, it cuts, it rolls. Let's see if it dices the food. So these are dried, just came out of the ref because of the low humidity. They're actually drier than I expected. I guess this will suffice. Let's just jam it in there. Go, turn it on already. Jam it in. Yeah. Okay, on. There you go. Look at the turn in that thing. Go, go, go. Jam it in. Jam it in. Look. Shit, what's that? Nothing coming out. Wait. Pull out. Mistake. Shootness. I didn't expect I had to cut it, man. Now I have to cut it.
Whatever do you want, Joe?
Okay. Divine my knife. Thank you. Okay. Cut it up. I wonder if it's wet enough. Sorry, I meant dry enough. Maybe not. I hope so. It's not gonna pelletize. And I don't know how to pelletize this thing. The videos they said it was so simple. There. Just push it in. Wait. I think it will break the knife. If I push it in with the knife. Careful. Use the pushy thingy. Yeah, the jammer. Use the plastic jammer in there without your finger. Yeah. Yep, that's right. Push it in. Jam it in. Yeehaw. Yeah, go. Why is it so mushy? Look at the mush coming out. Yeah. I thought it would pelletize. What the heck, man? Okay. Doesn't seem right. It seems a little. It's really like liquefied. No, just mushed. I have a mushed mulch of green. Okay, yep, we both agree it's mushed mulch. Shut. Failure. Now what? Okay, anyway, I tested it. I hope you like it. I tested it. Now it's time to clean that little piece of problem that I have right now. It doesn't do what I wanted it to do. Bahala na. Let's see how we can pelletize with this in the future. But now, let's just set it aside to clean. I'll tackle it with AI later.
Dick,
How
you stole my
to
life force.
create wait 1 second. Is how do I pelletize with a grinder thing that I bought as a pelletizer, and it seems like it's all mushy and mulchy, not pellets. The vegetables for my gliders and Roborowski hamsters, sugar gliders.
Soaking the kibble or grinding it with a small amount of warm water.
No, I said, how do I pelletize it? Because it came out as a mash.
To turn your wet mash into solid pellets, you need to reduce the moisture and bake or dehydrate the mixture so it holds its shape. 1. Thicken the mixture. Mix in a safe dry binder to absorb excess liquid until the mash reaches a stiff, dough-like consistency. For